Fit the operating slide into the ball body. Check that the guide pin in the ball body enters the hole in the operating slide. The guide surfaces of the ball body, operating slide and dosing ring must be well lubricated with lubricating paste. Fit the dosing ring. Check that the guide pin in the ball body enters the hole in the dosing ring. Apply only a thin film of lubricating paste on the screws for the dosing ring. Then, tighten the screws. Then fit back the springs and support. Check that the guide pin in the spring support enters the hole in the dosing ring. Finally, tighten the screws to a torque of 25 Newton-meter.